In this video, Dick and I are going to teach a reverse whip in West Coast Swing. We'll show you what it looks like.
Sugar push first.
1, 2, 3,
I go right to
4,
right.
5, and 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We'll show you from different angles. So here's a sugar 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm just going to go around making a circle here.
Right to right.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Lastly here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, Dick.
Okay, leaders, what we're going to do, obviously, we're starting from right to right. Get to that any way that you decide.
So the way we did it in class was we
Sugar
did a
push.
sugar 1, 2, 3, and 4 on 5 and 6. You go right to right.
Okay, now the lead on this is a little bit different. The lady is going away from me. Edna will explain the footwork after that. But what I need to do is I need to send her away from me. The way that's done is I'm going to step back with my 1 count. As I go forward with my 2 count, I'm going to lower the hand to diagonal, roll the doorknob to the right, and toss it away. So all that happens on count 2.
Notice he lowers his hand.
I need to roll my hand as I lower it across diagonal and just open my fingers and toss it away. Immediately I'm going to pick up the shoulder that's coming around. That'll be her left shoulder. 1, 2, right now, 3 and 4. My whip footwork is just like normal. I go 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Start from here.
Okay, I'm again gonna lower the hand, roll it, and throw it away as I take count 2.
1, 2. I know it's a reverse now.
She starts to turn.
3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'm going to show it from this angle here. He's did a sugar push here, and when he went right to right, he scooted over just a little bit, so I know I have a path here. So he gives me count 1. On count 2, he turned his hand, he sort of twisted his hand, so that lets I go part of the way here. That was my count 2. Now I'm going to do a turning coaster. I'm going to go 3 and 4. Then we finish the whip 5, 6, 7, and 8.
You want to go over the coaster step?
I'll go over the move completely. So he gives me 1 is straight. I don't know what it is. 2, I now know that it's a reverse whip. I'm starting to turn. My body's turned like this. I'm going to step forward. 3 and step forward on 4. After this, I do a regular whip. 5, 6, 7, and 8, where I finish the regular whip. I'll do it from here, you can see. He goes 1, 2, then I do 3 and, he's caught my back by now. Here's 4, then I finish the whip. 5, 6, 7, and 8.
So
let me do this one direction more.
Okay.
So he went 1, 2, I'm gonna go 3 and, he's caught me by here. I'm gonna go 4, then I finish the whip. 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Okay, leaders, I'm going to put my back to the camera so you can see. Now, like Edna said, I do the sugar push. 1, 2, 3, and 4. During 5 and 6, I scoot over here. Already she knows something's happening along that path to my right. So, what I'm going to do is on count, you'll be able to see my handwork a little bit better from here. 1, 2. I roll the doorknob. I throw it away at the same time. Immediately watch this. 3 and 4, then I go 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'll show you one time without stopping how quick this happens. 1, toss 2, 3 and 4, walk, walk, triple step.
So that is the reverse whip. See you later. Bye-bye.